Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Hello app. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about Hello app. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Hello app and then you can uninstall your app and you will uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.